Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Little Frenchie in Big Texas. I am Anne and today is a miracle day. It is Christmas before Christmas. So first of all, thanks to all of you who send us cards. We got quite a few to open. We will do it in another mail call. Today what I want to do here is open this box here, the present before Christmas. And this is coming from Mountain Grandma, which is a homesteading channel out of northern Arizona. Check them out. I will leave her link in the comment below. And she contacted me a week ago asking if I was interested in something she made that is actually too small for her daughter. And given her a small size, she thought of me, which I thought was very sweet. So I said, yes, of course, and here it is. I am so excited. So let me open it with you and see what we got here. It is very well packaged. Oh, better not cut myself here, huh? Yeah, it's a lot of glue, a lot of tape. I hope there was nothing written on the first. No, it's an empty one. Good. Because if there was a card, it's gone. All right. Let's see if I can. Oh, there's a double tape. Man, that's a very secure package. Let's see if that's good enough. Yes. Oh, the card is inside. Oh, yes. Little Frenchie in Big Texas. Oh, thank you so, so much. Well, let me open the card last. Let me first. Oh, wow. Wow. Get the card here. Wow. Look at this. Oh wow. Look at this beautiful jacket. I have to try it on. I have to try it on. Let's see. I've got long sleeves. Let me try to grab my sleeve inside here. Oops. And my, oops, yeah, my ring. I need to be careful with my ring here. We just put wood on the fire, so I won't be able to keep it too long because it's pretty warm in the house. But yeah, woo, this is beautiful. Oh, where is the? Oh, it fell on the floor. Let me try here. Oh wow! Look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? Let me adjust a tiny bit the camera so that you get to see the top. Oops. Look at this. Isn't it nice? Actually, I'm not sure I want it closed. I kind of like it open. Wow. I really like it. Thank you so, so much. This is cool and it feels so warm. It is soft and warm. Yeah, I messed it up with my long sleeves here. Very, very nice. I really like it. Yeah, I don't know, just a little thing here to hold it. Yeah. It is very warm. Too warm for the wood stove. Way too warm for the wood stove. But it is beautiful. I really like it. All handmade. Look at this. I mean, pretty nice, huh? Beautiful work. Beautiful handmade. Yeah, I love it. Thank you. Thank you so much. And now let me open the card. I had left the card for the end. Oh, it's a Christmas card. You're my first Christmas present. Merry Christmas. Yes. to Anne and family. We hope you have a wonderful Christmas and a happy new year. Thank you for all you do, Tammy and Larry, Mountain Grandma and Grandpa. Ah, God bless you all. Thank you so much, both of you, Tammy and Larry, for the card, for the present. I love it. Here's the card, guys. A bit closer to the screen here. Thank you, thank you. And as I said, if you haven't checked them out, they're starting on the homesteading journey. They're on the small acreage for now. But it's a nice channel, and they just did a very nice Christmas song. So go and check them out. And once again, thank you, Tammy. Thank you, Larry. Have a Merry Christmas, you all. Bye.